Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to worn or damaged blades. This can happen from regular use or overloading the device. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage or even complete failure of your machine. The good news is that replacing the blades is a straightforward process that you can tackle at home. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly for the TM31, and possibly a pair of pliers. To begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and let it cool down if it has been in use. Start by removing the lid and the bowl from the base. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor cover on the base of the machine. Be careful to keep track of the screws as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the motor. Now, locate the blade assembly, which is attached to the motor shaft. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose if it's stuck. Take care not to damage any surrounding components while doing this. Once the blade assembly is free, you can disconnect any cables that may be in the way. It's important to note how they are connected, as you will need to reattach them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new blade assembly and carefully position it onto the motor shaft. Ensure it fits snugly and that any securing mechanisms are in place. Once secured, reconnect any cables you removed earlier, making sure they are attached in the same configuration as before. After everything is back in place, replace the motor cover and use your Phillips screwdriver to secure it with the screws. Finally, reattach the bowl and lid, plug your Thermomix back in, and switch it on to verify that it's functioning correctly. You should notice a significant difference in the operation, with no more grinding noises. To prevent this issue from recurring, be sure to regularly clean the blades and check for any signs of wear. Avoid overloading your Thermomix beyond its recommended capacity, as this can put extra strain on the blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.